Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles and today's video is a vlog video. So I am leaving my son's school. If I didn't tell you all, he actually made the basketball team, so I'm super stoked. Am I more excited than you? I am? He said, He's too cool to give me a full answer, I guess, are you? So yeah, he made the team. I actually went in and met his coach, and they have their first game in a few days. So I'm excited. I can't wait to make some signs and be that mom in the bleachers cheering. So we got to get some stuff to make some signs. He said, no, I don't. I'm gonna get some. Let me enjoy this too. So I'm gonna get some signs. It's just embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Okay, we'll come up with a different alternative because I don't want to embarrass you, but I do want to celebrate, and I want to. I'm gonna be embarrassing. Okay, but I'll take embarrassing myself. Is that okay? Okay. So it's settled then. As long as it's just embarrassing myself, he's okay with it. So that's fine. We had our first coach parent meeting. They went over expectations, the rules, behavior at school, grades. So he has to keep his grades at a certain point, which I don't have to worry about that. He has A's. I'm so excited. I'm in a position where I'm just like stoked. Couldn't be happier. I could not be happier. I'm a little sad at the fact that I literally have a teenager, and yeah, my son is in middle school. He explained that this game is going to be an away game. So when they come home from school, then they stay home for a while, rest, eat, and then I take them back to the school at 4:45. You got your jersey? He even got his outfit. What number are you? Number 21. Number 21. Okay. So, y'all may not have seen me this excited or amped up before, because typically I come to y'all with business or like unboxing videos, and videos can be excited. But when it comes to my kids, I get super excited with, things that they enjoy doing, and just seeing them actually grow and do what they want to do. He was a little nervous about the tryouts, but he made the team. I knew he would. And he has his first away game on Thursday. His game doesn't start till 7, so you're going to be out during, big boy hours, if I can say that. So, okay, so that's that. I'm about to go back home. My mom is actually putting up my furniture, because she's really good at putting stuff together. So she's putting up, not my furniture, but I guess it is furniture. I have a desk that I got and a chair that I got. So she's helping me put that together. Actually, she's doing it right now. And then when I get back, I'm going to see how I can assist, because I try to put things together, but they don't come together when I try. So I'm going to see how I can help and pick the vlog up in just a little bit. I'll be back with you all in a second. All right, so I'm back home, and my mom just left for a minute. This looks so dry. This is what I ate last night. It was some PF Chang's stuff, and I don't know if I think I should put a little bit of water in it. I'm not the best cook, so I will be just experimenting with this. But it was pretty good last night. It's just kind of dry now, but I'm trying to bring some life back into it. So that's what I'm doing here. My baby is asleep. My oldest kids are doing their homework. Like I said, my mom just left, and I'm going to show you some of the things that I ordered. Actually show you right now. Okay, so I'm just covering up my address. Actually, do I even have to do that? I mean, I have to. I probably can just blur it out, but I don't really feel like editing that. So this is what I ordered too. This is a chair that's going to go to my desk. I was trying to find a chair that had wooden legs, because the interior of this apartment, like, it has a lot of wood, which I don't like, honestly. And ignore the stuff on the floor. It's a little dirty because I've been carrying, or yeah, packages have been coming in. To have it, I wanted to get like white and wood. I wanted the furniture to kind of complement what the room looks like, because I'm going to be having my office inside my room. So I couldn't find a chair that had wooden legs that I really liked, but I found one that was furry, had the white that I was looking for, but the legs are gold. So that's that. Let me show you what else I got. One moment. All right, so this was part of the desk. I'm gonna show you all the finished product once it's up, and I'll show you my dresser too once I get that up too, because I got a new dresser. What's wrong, baby? Okay, I'll be back with you all. Okay, so also on the agenda, I plan on doing a sew-in tutorial. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial using my deep wave extensions. I'm gonna do 2 bundles and a closure. And I'm gonna also be showing you all in this video and probably in that tutorial video too, what I'm going to be using. So stick around for that too. I kind of don't feel like doing my hair tonight, but I may get a boost of energy, I'm not sure. I'm just a little exhausted. I still do need to do some work for my business, as well as do some work around the house. So once I get her good and sleep, I'll put her down and I will show you all our progress with putting up the dresser. I thought it was the desk, but it's actually the dresser. But I'll go get my desk and then I'll start putting that up too. And I'll show you all what everything looks like. Maybe not in this video, but in another video, I'll probably show you that. But this is what I'm doing right now, just trying to put my baby to sleep. And then I'll get started with putting up my dresser. I'll talk to you all in just a moment. Okay, so please ignore that noise. My dishwasher is going. But this is some of the things, these are some of the things rather, that I got for my sew-in. I told you all in the middle of the vlog that I was gonna be doing a sew-in with my bundles, deep wave. And I got a C-curve needle. I got this, which I typically use elastic bands when I'm doing like a closure. But I've never tried this, the elastic wig band non-slip. I've never tried this. Saw this at the beauty supply store and I wanted to try that instead of using the typical elastic band that I get from, or like the elastic that I use for, I guess you could say elastic band, but it's like the strip of elastic that I get from like Hobby Lobby or Walmart. I also got some black thread. I got some concealer to put in my part because I don't feel like bleaching and doing all that other stuff to the part. Now you can bleach, pluck, all of that, but I can also use concealer and make the style look exactly how I want it to look. So wanted to show you some things that I got, and I'll be right back in a moment. All right, so wrapping up the vlog for the night, this is how the dresser looks. There's literally so many pieces that my mom and I were like, we're not even gonna really get started with this tonight because it's just so many pieces. So I did contact one of my friends and they'll be able to help me tomorrow put this all together and sort it out, because I did not know that it was going to be like this detailed, and I have even more pieces on the other side of the room. So I'm not doing it. Like, it's too in-depth for me and my mom, to be honest. So we probably could figure it out, but I'm not even gonna waste the energy doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed. I'm gonna take a shower, we're gonna wash my hair, and then I'm going to, I believe, do my hair tonight. I'm gonna try to at least, and then I will pick you all back up in my next video. But be sure to stay tuned, make sure that you are subscribed, that way you can go along with me and see my hair tutorial along with the other videos that I'm going to post. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye.